Hello everyone. On this video I will be reviewing the ZonCar H10 LED fog light bulb. I am Stephen Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley. Here are the LED fog lights that I'm going to be installing, and there will be an Amazon link in the description if you want to pick up a set for yourself. Let's see what we have inside the package. Comes with a little booklet here, some instructions on installation, and we have the bulbs. I'm just going to pull one out so we can take a look. So this is what you will receive. So I'm going to go ahead and get these in the Escalade, and we can have a comparison of these LEDs versus the factory fog light bulbs. So I have a step-by-step tutorial on doing these fog light bulbs on the Escalade, and I'll put it on the end screen towards the end of this video. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the stock bulb versus the LED that we're going to install, and as you can see, everything's pretty much identical. It's going to snap in and install the same way that we'll remove the old one. So I'm going to go ahead and get it in, do the other side, and we'll be all set. Right here is the before shot. As we can see with the factory H10 bulbs, there's a slight yellow tint to it. It gives off some light, but it's not a ton. If you guys are wondering about that light bar, the video that I'm going to link towards the end will show you how I wired that up as well. But as far as the fog lights, here goes the after. As you can see with the LEDs, it's just a lot brighter. It's more of a white color with a slight blue tint. Looks pretty good in my opinion. And we can see here again with them off, and then when I turn the LED fog lights on, you can see how much extra light it gives off. And I was pretty impressed at this point, just seeing how much extra light I got. But the most dramatic difference is actually on road. As you will see in this next shot, when I'm on the street, this is without the fog lights, and then once I turn them on, you'll see just how much extra light I get on the road. And this is when I was really impressed with these bulbs. So in my opinion, it's a good buy. They'll definitely get you some extra light when you're out there so you can see better. So go ahead and check these out. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.